Hi guys, I just finished watching the press conference of Secretary Vince Dizon of the DPWH. And I know that the expectation is, ooh, I'm gonna be mad, I'm gonna be defensive, I'm gonna be this and that. No. Because if you're a level-headed person and you are calm in your resolve and support for a person, you will welcome these cases wholeheartedly. Bakit? First of all, sinabi mismo ni President Marcos na hahanapin natin ang ebidensya at susundan natin kung saan ito papunta. Sinabi niya yan. Sinabi rin niya, di ba, na itong investigasyon na ito ay walang kinikilala. Martin Romualdez has always been a cousin of the president, but at the same time, his longest ally. Okay? But at the same time, if parte ng pagiging cousin niya, ng pagiging ally niya ang imbestigahan, bumaba siya sa pwesto niya bilang House Speaker para dire-diretso ang investigasyon. Tumakbo ba si Martin Romualdez palabas ng bansa? No. He stayed. He faced the ICI, bumaba siya bilang House Speaker para bigyang daan ang investigasyon at wini-welcome ang kahit na anumang kaso na inirekomenda. Bakit? Because it's all about the evidence. You have to be able to prove, diba, that somebody is guilty. Kaya kami, hindi namin sinasabi that he is innocent. Hindi naman kami judge. We don't decide that. We will not also disrespect any judge that should try this case in his or her court. Bakit? Kasi sanay na sanay tayong mga Pilipino that we decide on cases based on haka-haka and intriga. But the law doesn't work that way. Crispin Remulla as ombudsman does not work that way. Kaya the recommendation, of course, it's a narrative of a DPWH official that this is a recommendation that he has to, diba, to file a case. Go ahead. Because for whatever case you file, the burden of proof rests on you. Proof. Hindi haka-haka, hindi intriga, hindi maiingay na chismis at hindi post sa Facebook ang magde-decide. Kundi, korte, kundi ombudsman kung tama ba talaga ang kaso na ikakaso kay Martin Romualdez. Kaya sa mga nananakot sa akin, why? Why would somebody be afraid if they know that the evidence will speak louder than all of your lies? Personally, I want to see the evidence myself. Because at the end of the day, hindi naman kasi to about loyalty, no? To any political family. Not even the Romualdezes. Ang akin lang, kung ano ang ebidensya, ilabas. Kung ano ang katotohanan, ilabas. Kung sino ang dapat managot, mananagot. But let's see the difference between Zaldico and Martin Romualdez. Zaldico did not come home. Zaldico flew far, far away where he could not be accountable for whatever it is that he actually did. But Martin Romualdez is in the Philippines, facing whatever it is he needs to face, and wholeheartedly at that. And again, ang ebidensya, ang lamang, ang isang bagay na magtuturo kung guilty ba siya sa pinagsasabi niyo against sa kanya o hindi. And that part calms me down. Why? Because, ibabalik natin talaga sa sinabi ng presidente, asahan ang ebidensya, dun tayo susunod, at kung saan niya tayo dadalhin. So yun lang. Huwag na kayong magmadali, guys. Because, kung mamadaliin nyo ang isang bagay kasi you want to believe based on your perspective, it's just gonna stress you out. You are being lied to. It's not the whole truth. Because the whole truth does not come out on social media. The whole truth is decided on by the courts, whether or not there is evidence. But evidence is not your chismis. Evidence is not your posts on Facebook. And evidence is not your intriga. Kaya ako, kalma. Because the soft life is way better than the stressful life that they want you to be in so that nawawala ka sa sarili mo at nawawala ka sa palaisipan na dapat kalmado lang. If you are not guilty, kalmado lang. Because dapat, ang totoong guilty, ang nasistress. Hindi yung mga tao that's just waiting for justice to be served. Like me. Kasi ako, like everyone else, galit ako sa korupsyon. Pero mas galit ako that pinupukol nyo ang isang tao kahit wala naman kayong ebidensya. Diyan ako galit. Pero hindi ko na pinapakita. Kasi the soft life is better. The soft life gives me better skin, better sleep, and at the end of the day, kung sino pa yung stressed, yun yung talo. Yun lang. Ingat!
Hi guys, we're gonna unbox my mom's new bag from Taiwan. Okay, let's see it. Maybe.
So this is the bag that I got.
Don't tell them.
It is a bag. Wait, I have to show them this first. So this is the charm.
The charm, it's so cute and it's a
a-
red heart
It's
with
a-
red.
It's a red heart that is so pretty and bedazzled.
And also
Very
the bag.
cute kaayo. Very cutesy kaayo, Tita Cherry. Tanawa.
But you wanna see the bag? You want to
Yeah,
see the
murag heart ni
bag?
Toad. It's Tony's heart, man. Oh, see? There. So what na? And then...
Hi guys, this is the big bag that we
It's
just
not
got.
a big bag, Babu. It's a wait, can you just wait, please?
Can I do the honors?
No, you cannot do the honors, Tony. What are you saying? Baba, wait sa
To
lang.
open the.
Wait sa na. So here,
We got this one.
this is the bag. Tony!
This is the bag.
You, Baba. This is a tiny bag that has, actually it has a strap.
I think
It
she
has
bought it from Chamoy.
I did not buy it from Chamoy. Say Chamoy dong.
And then it comes with this.
No, Babo. Come on na. Come on
that?
na dong. How are we? So we are unboxing it. And then I'm going to be removing
The ring.
so this is the strap. It has a strap. And then, panglabay ni Pi.
Let it go.
So there.
Let it go.
Quiet. I will be putting this heart. Ala. I will be putting this heart right here.
Wow, it's so nice, Mama, if you had the heart on there.
Yeah, I'm gonna put the heart over
And also,
here.
you're gonna put this one.
So siya gining ipabutang. Actually guys, munang proud kay siya ani. And this is if you notice the bags that I brought everywhere to Vietnam and Taiwan. Ngano na ani siya. Even in my Louis Vuitton bag. It's because he won this in New Star in Taiwan.
I bought 3 of them.
You won. You did not buy it.
I win 3 of
Won.
those.
Baba, it's past tense. Won. You won
I won
3 of these.
I won 3 of these, and then this one just came off this Mickey Mouse Disney Champion
Mr.
collaboration box, and we got the 28 Mickey Mouse.
Okay. Hoy, kadaghan! Tony, calm down. I
Oh
need
my
you-
God, I'm collaborating, my love. Now look at it now with my charming and the red charming glitter,
No, Baba, this is...
and another heart and another bow.
Mabuang ko sa kong
Thank
unboxing.
you, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Ingat.